Wow, this campsite is so freaking beautiful. Look at this. You can spot whales from there. There's something special about waking up beside the St. Lawrence River. This campsite sits quietly on a hill. After watching whales, we headed towards our campsite, Bon Désir. Tadoussac is one of Quebec's oldest village, known for whale watching and peaceful riverside camps like this one. The best time to visit is between June and September, when the whale come closest to shore. Believe me, this camera is not doing justice. This campsite was so amazing. They have provided this bench, this fireplace, and this view. We kept things simple tonight. Grilled chicken, instant noodles, and homemade salad. I think food always tastes better outdoors when all you can hear is crackling fire and waves below. When the night fell, everything turned still. No traffic, no noise, just stars stretching endlessly above the river. It's strange how peaceful silence can sound. The first light appeared around 6. The water shimmered in gold and birds started singing. It felt like the whole world was slowly waking up. This place reminded me we don't always need grand plans to feel alive. Sometimes it's just a quiet hill, warm food, and a sunrise that makes you pause.